Look at this site and wait till you see all the flowers, cherry blossoms, purple flowers, and more in Kitano Maru Park in the Chiyoda City area of Tokyo. I went here yesterday. Yes, there was rain. That seems to be the order of the early part of this trip. And this is accessible immediately up the escalator or stairs from Kurashita Station. And watch for much more of this spot because it's lovely. It occupies, you'll see the waterway. There are moats all around this area. You can rent paddle boats, a swan boat should you wish, a swan paddle boat. Look at that. And the property was once part of the Castle Edo or Edo Castle. And for now, let's just enjoy the blossoms.